How's it going, Mike? This is Danny Scott with Undertow Digital. I shot this quick video for you to give you some tips and tricks on some things you can do for your website so you can outrank your competitors out here in Charlotte. So right before I get started, I don't want to waste your time, of course, and I don't want to waste mine. So if you do find some value in this video and you see that I know what I'm talking about and would like to move forward, reach out and let's talk. But if not, no harm, no foul. I just want to make sure that you get some good value from all this. So we're going to go over three things, super fast but very, very effective things. It's going to be content, citations, and backlinks. All things that if you incorporate them well and appropriately, they can rank your site a lot higher, driving a lot more business and helping to give you a lot more clients on a regular basis. So with content, that's going to be everything on this page, essentially, your homepage. So it's going to be the pictures, the images like behind the pictures, which you don't have very many of, and then the actual content, like the written content and stuff like that. So when it comes to the actual written content, we do minimum 1,500 words. So on your homepage, it should be 1,500 to 2,000 words minimum. That way, so there's Google crawlers, and they're going to be crawling all over, like the web, obviously, all over your site. So the more keywords you can pack onto your homepage specifically, that's going to help Google really understand like what your business is, how it can service clients, and it's going to be able to push your website a lot higher and a lot faster in the rankings. Same with like the images. Obviously, you don't have much. It looks like it's a GoDaddy site down here. But if your images are saved on here, like if you have, let's see, actually. You don't have to make too many pictures on here, but if you have like images of like past projects and stuff like that, you would want to tag those with keywords as well, because that'll also, like, Google crawlers will essentially pick that up and understand like what's going on with your site. And if you look into like your competition sites, Roofmedic right here, they have a ton of words, right? Ton of words. These are probably more or less tagged with images. They actually have a decent amount of like content on here. They could probably use some more words, but you can kind of see what I'm getting at, right? With the images, with pushing as much proper content, proper keywords on your site as possible. They actually don't have too much on here, but they have a lot of backlinks. So we'll get into that in a second. So the next thing we're gonna go over is citations. Also, quick note, the Google Ads section. So they started the Google Guarantee ads, which are a lot more trustworthy. They have a lot more insurances behind them, but a lot of people nowadays have ad blocks on Google, just because, I mean, Google ads have been around for quite a while now, and a lot of people, there was a lot of scams going on, you know, and there still are. So a lot of people have ad blocks, and that kind of deters a lot of business. So if you were thinking about going that way, obviously Google ads are a great way to get clientele, but just like a word of advice, just because a lot of people have had bad experiences with that. But when it comes to the citations, so what a citation is, it's going to be your business name, your business address, and your business phone number. So with all those, that is like one citation, and citations go into essentially directories. So a directory is like Yelp, Yellow Pages, BBB, LinkedIn, stuff like that, right? So the more directories that you have citations in, the higher your Google My Business area in this map pack section is going to rank. And this is obviously a lot more for like local business, and so if you can get into like the top 3 of this map pack area, it's going to drive a decent amount of your business up. It's not going to be a make or break necessarily, because obviously the organic section still does really, really well, but I like to offer my clients everything that they can get, just because you want to make sure you can optimize your profit and your lead flow, right? So that's pretty much covering citations. And let's get into the last little bit so I don't make this video too long, but that's going to be backlinks. So this site that I'm on right now is Ahrefs. It's a paid tool. I pay around $400 a month for my team and myself. But essentially you can get into different keywords. You can see domains that other sites are using. You can see the backlinks they're using. And speaking of backlinks, what a backlink is, it's a link linking from your site to another site and from another site to your site. So essentially, like, it could be like a roofing blog, and if people on that roofing blog are talking about your site and they plug your site in there, that would be a backlink. And the more relevant the backlink is, the more power it has, because not all backlinks are created equal. So this is your site, and as you can see, you don't have very many backlinks, not many referring domains, almost no keywords, and you're not getting very much traffic per month, which is completely fine. Obviously, like, starting off, that's just how it's going to look. It honestly usually is just all zeros across the board, so at least you have something going on. But we can go in here into Roofmedic's Ahrefs overview, essentially. You can see they have 112 referring domains, giving them 799 backlinks, a bunch of keywords, a bunch of organic traffic a month, 614 traffic per month. And what this is really good to show is that you can essentially use this tool, go into their backlinks, and you can see exactly where they're plugging in their backlinks, or what links are or connected to them or what it might be, and you can do what they're doing. And you can essentially just use the exact same method that they're using to rank their site, and you can do that for your own site. And so as you can see, what is it? Charlotte House Heroes right here. You have Enterprise, you have a bunch of stuff actually. Yellow Pages, Super Pages. Obviously Roof Medic is their own site, so they have a lot of links going back to different pages. But as you can see, like when it comes to Shop Troutman, this one is linking to their specific sites right here. So they have a lot of very, very relevant sites for roofing, and we can actually go into the H&S roofing site. They have 382 referring domains, giving them 10,006.6 backlinks. So quite a few. They're getting 457 organic traffic per month. So as you can see, like backlinks is one of those things. The more relevant that they are, that are linking from your site to another site, from another site to your site, that's going to help you a lot. And obviously keywords as well. So if we jump into the keywords right here, and I'm actually going to go back on their site. But same thing with the keywords. You can essentially look up what keywords that these businesses are using, and you can use the exact same keywords on your site. So the volume is going to be the amount of people per month looking up that keyword, and KD is like the competition. So a lot of these are probably very specific to their sites, but as you can see, they're getting a lot of volume with very, very low competition, which is going to rank their site super, super high. So you could also do that. You can come in here, see what keywords are hitting, see what ones are not, and use those to your advantage on your site to optimize it. And usually do around like 100 to 150 words per keyword, so it doesn't seem too jumbled up with everything. And then the last thing just to go over with this little area right here is the UR and the DR is essentially your URL dominance and your URL trustworthiness in Google. So it's going to, let's actually look at yours. You don't have very much going on, which is completely fine because it's a new site. But the more backlinks you have that are more like affirmative, it's going to obviously rank up your dominance, rank up your trustworthiness. Theirs isn't too high for whatever reason. I'm guessing they have some sort of SEO program running on it right now. But with that being said, I don't want to make this video too long. So as I said at the beginning, if you found some value in this and you see that I know a thing or two about what I'm talking about and you would like some help with ranking your site so I can give you a little bit more business, feel free to reach out. But if not, completely all good. I hope you found some value in this video and enjoy the